Hey folks, we're back. This time we're going to be touching up on this playground set that our kind uncle helped us buy. It was on discount and he got us also a military discount to help us out. So that was super nice of him and we thank you, Uncle, for that. The first time I did this, I built it and put it together and then stained this whole thing by brush. So today, let me show you, we're going to use this Ready Seal. This is the redwood stain. We're going to be using the Hotloop electric spray gun that is DeWalt battery compatible. So here it is. We're going to be filling this up. I've got my DeWalt battery already in and we're going to have a go at it. It's got to be easier than doing it by brush. You've got your choice of circular pattern and oval pattern. So I don't know which one's going to work best for this. We'll try them both. See how it goes. Oh man, that's nice. Okay, that was the circle pattern. It's coming out really fast, which is kind of good, but also it's windy today. And we're getting a lot of overspray. Okay, now let's try the oval pattern. In case you can't tell, I'm trying to stay upwind. Oh man, that is beautiful. I love the redwood stain. That is such a cool color. I like that. That oval pattern, I'm able to get two sides of this post at the same time. Two sides with one spray. Check it out. Two sides. So that was a 6-inch board with one oval spray. Okay, let me show you this. I would think that this would be horizontal spray. This is actually a vertical spray. You can turn this, but when it sprays out the nozzle, this actually goes vertical. And then if you do want a horizontal spray, you can turn it that way. It is really fast though. Coming from the brush, it is an obvious speed difference. This is awesome. We are getting a lot of overspray, so just count on that, maybe wasting a little product, but in terms of speed, this is, I mean, I've got to touch this up every year. This will make it easier to do every year for sure. All right, folks, we're empty. Right there at the end, I was just trying to empty it and touch up a few spots. If I were to do it again, and I will, I'm gonna come back and finish it, I would keep your horizontal spray as long as you can, go through all the posts, and then switch to vertical and do all the other boards. With the brush, I was doing everything by hand, dipping in a cup and painting every single board. This is so much easier. I think this is 10 times faster than the brush. Pushing this button will help you release the front, so you can get a deep cleaning in there if you do need to get some gunk out of there that gets stuck. Okay folks, it's that easy. Spring is coming. Hurry up and get your playground stained and sealed, protect it, and the kids are gonna wanna play, so get it done sooner rather than later. Snap in your DeWalt battery, you're good to go with the Hotloop electric spray gun. This thing has been awesome. Probably saved me tons of time.